Welcome to this 5-minute yin session. No props are needed. Together, let's take 3 deep, slow breaths. Moving into Tabletop Pose, we will begin in melting heart, walking your hands forward, keeping your hips above your knees, and let your chest melt down toward the mat. Rest your forehead or chin down on the earth, arms stretched long, holding this pose for about a minute. Breathing into your upper back, releasing and relaxing with each breath. Pushing up out of the stretch, crossing your ankles and transitioning onto your back. Knees to your chest, rocking side to side, massaging your back. Coming in to Supine Twist, arms out in a T shape, shifting your hips and allowing your legs to fall to the right side. Maybe resting your right hand on your left knee. Gaze can be neutral or to the left for a gentle neck stretch. Settling in for the next 60 seconds. Slowly bringing your knees back to neutral, maybe shifting your hips and taking your twist to the other side. Breathing into your spine and low back, relaxing your jaw. Gently coming out of your twist and back to center. Slowly transitioning into happy baby. Bending both knees towards your chest, grabbing the outsides of your feet or your ankles or your shins. You can stay here in happy baby, or if you would like a deeper stretch, grabbing your toes or feet and straightening your legs wide. Feeling the stretch more in the inner thigh and groin areas. Listening to your body, coming back to happy baby if needed. Let your hips and lower back release, breathing deeply into those areas. Holding this pose for about another minute. Gently releasing out of the stretch, rocking from side to side, planting your feet and rolling on to one side. Gradually coming to seated. Thank you for joining me and taking these 5 minutes for yourself. If you enjoyed this, please comment below, like and subscribe to Yin Yoga Collective for more gentle practices. Namaste.